Hey guys, Jesse and Amp here from Prostreet Media and Prostreet Talk. We're back here at Calder Park Raceway for another round of roll racing.
Don't know what round we're at, but today it's going to be jam action packed with drag racing, roll racing, like we said, interviews. Stay tuned. Hey guys, first interview of the day. I'm here with George from Pro Flow Fab. Georgie, how you going?
Good, my man. How are you?
Yeah, good, mate. Good. Kill a day for it.
Beautiful day. Perfect. Melbourne's turning it on.
We've got very lucky. So tell us a bit about the car for people who aren't catching up with the Full Boost series that's obviously happening at the moment on YouTube.
Yeah.
What's in it?
It's got a built built ZF, 9-inch Pulsar G42 and a bit of boost. That's it.
And power figures, we're looking at about 800 kilowatt mark?
Yeah, 822. So 1100 horse on the last dyno run. We were limited with power. Cooler was holding us back. So we've been doing the roll racing for a bit and found that couldn't get the boost up at the track. So attacked the cooler. I think I've done it in the last episode. We're talking about how Plasma Man made us one so we can get back out racing quickly. They fast-tracked the cooler to us and we got it in, and then, man, power just jumped. Loved it, yeah.
So we were saying off camera before, this is your second outing with the new cooler?
Yeah, and more boost in it now. Last time I was here, I didn't have the boost that I wanted in it. Just done a quick, just a test pass to see if it's there. It's there. So now I can start playing with the tune-up during rolls.
And you're sitting on a 275, I believe, yeah?
Yeah, Pro. Yeah, 275 Mickey Pro, yeah.
Anything else you'd like to add on about the car or anything like that? Do you prefer drag racing? Do you prefer roll racing?
I love all forms of drags and rolls. I love them both, yeah. But the rolls, it just happened that it's just worked with the car because the car's got traction control, so it actually does really well against the four-wheel drive stuff. So I sort of just started with it and ended up in the Summit point system and then ended up in the top 10. Just dropped out. I'm in 11th spot at the moment. So I'm just like, oh, you know what? The car's reliable. Like I said, I can finish up tonight. I'll take the car home, put it in the garage and come back out in the next meeting. I don't touch the car in between rounds, so it's reliable.
And with the traction control, the car's running a full haltech?
Yeah. So we've got a full haltech traction control strategy, which I've designed on it. I didn't have it on earlier, but yeah, I'm going to put it on, and once it's on, it really goes well in the roll setup, yeah.
Yeah, because obviously the condition of the track today, or usual, let's not hide the fact that it's probably not the best out here, especially for drag racing. So at least with the roll racing, it gives you the chance to actually lay down the power with the traction control. Would you say that's correct?
Yeah, no problem. That's correct for most cars. With my car, first, second, where most cars lose traction, that's where I've got full traction. So regardless track conditions, I can go out on, like, I've had a drum. The last meet here, we had an issue with the temps being too cold on the tyres and the track dropped and traction didn't work, or you can't catch it. Most of the times it works. And once it works, I'm not too phased on what the track conditions are. I know first and second gear. It's when I get into third and the boost starts, because I've got boost by speed. Once that boost starts kicking in, that's when it's an issue. So where drag cars or most cars cop it early in the run, I'm more in the middle where I feed my boost in. That's where I sort of have to be on the game, yeah.
Nah, nice. Well, good luck today.
Thank you, my
We'll
man.
whack a GoPro in the car later on, and
Yeah, no stress.
all the best. Thanks for your
my
time.
man.
Appreciate it.
See you.
Buddy, how are you?
Good, mate. Good.
Yeah, we're doing well.
So we're here with Andrew today. If people don't know who Andrew is, he calls himself Chucho, yeah?
Chucho Santana, that's it, yeah.
And really, man, you're the main reason why these events are happening. Would you say that?
I wouldn't go that far.
Well, you've helped with them.
Yeah, I think it's been a community effort. Like, we've all got on board and trying to get this thing going. I remember the days where like 20 cars would come on a Sunday, and now I think we're at capacity. It looks like it anyway, it's shockers.
So how'd you get into it all? What happened? You just started the page?
Everyone was watching the live streams in Sydney, and then everyone got into it, and we come here, and it was just a thing. Nothing was really moving. So I think there was one Sunday event that I came, and it was like dead as, and I said I would just start a page like in Sydney, and then from there things just started to move. So it's good. Everyone got on board. It's top stuff.
And you've got a bit of involvement in the actual racing as well. You got your own car which you race?
Yep. Yeah, so I got a 2007 BF Typhoon R-Spec, which is not here today. I think I blew the gearbox this morning. So, yeah, it was good fun, mate. It's only like 450, but it's all about the fun.
No, that's it. Come out here, have fun, yeah? Some people might call you the president or stuff like that. That's
no president.
You're not the president?
No president, man. There's no president here. It's all shit talking. It's all shit talking.
Thanks for your time.
Thanks, Ants. Thanks,
Appreciate
Jess.
it. Alright guys, we're here with Tori. He's got the Fortune Auto TTRS. So for those that don't know, he's run a turbo 5-cylinder, and you're not no beginner for roll racing, we'll say. So how many events do you reckon you've done in this car?
Oh, bro, I think all of 24. So all of the 2024 events, and we ended up taking 4 wins. Yeah.
So 4 wins so far out of all of them, and you're placing pretty high in the championship?
Yeah, currently 3rd on the leaderboard, but I missed round 1 because I was overseas. Yeah.
Pretty consistent car, very consistent car actually, I should add. But hopefully making it into the final today. What's the strategy? Just avoid Miss Lambo?
That's it. Avoid the Lambos and the GDRs, I guess. Yeah. Not the fastest car, but it's consistent. Yeah.
So this car, besides roll racing, is actually really quick with drag racing as well. What's your personal best with this car?
It's done 9.7 at 155, but that's with a very slow 60 foot. So yeah, it should go under 9.5 with a better 60 foot.
That's crazy for this, man. A little pocket rocket, yeah? So what have you done to this car exactly? I'm not hugely into the Euro stuff, and maybe a lot of our viewers don't understand either, but what have you done to this?
So Fortune Automotive, Adam at Fortune Automotive built this car. So it's got a built bottom end, so rods and pistons. The head is stock, but I've done the valve train upgrade. Obviously fueling and all the supporting mods, but it's running a Precision 6466 next gen.
There you go. So it's a little pocket rocket, and man, this thing absolutely flies. So pleasure speaking to you, and best of luck for today, yeah?
Thank you.
Fun, take care.
there goes the rear bumper bar. That's a piece of an LS1.